Mueller Electric. Many of our most popular products are made and shipped from our headquarters in Akron, Ohio, USA. Instrumentation cable types made in USA. M12 Cable Assemblies 3, 4, 5, and 8-pin positions. M8 Cable Assemblies 3, 4, and 5-pin positions. M12 L-Code Cable Assemblies 4 and 4 plus FE or 5-pin positions. 7/8" 16 UN Cable Assemblies 3, 4, 5, and 6-pin positions. Mueller Blue-Flex M8 3 and 4-pin positions. Mueller Blue-Flex M12 3, 4, and 5-pin positions. Mueller Electric assures high quality and consistency in manufacturing our products for over 100 years, excelling to meet your demands. Mueller Electric Instrumentation Cable complies with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0, RoHS 3 and REACH compliant, IP68 safety rated, CE certified, UL listed. Our instrumentation cables comply in meeting today's rigorous demands for certifications and manufacturing safety and compliance. Our instrumentation cables are joined with these additional products that are made in the USA: test leads, terminals, and temporary protective grounding. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. Don't pay tariffs. Mueller Electric manufactures and ships from Akron, Ohio, USA. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at MuellerElectric.com. Thank you for watching.